I'm Agnes Gonzalez. I am one of the owners of Bake Club of SG Business Ventures. Ang among produkto is coming from the squash flour. Kani siya that includes everything. We reduce the waste ani kay kasama tanan except lang sa pungango, then we turn it into flour. So and also banana flour includes everything. Apil ang panit. So it's very healthy because
organic.
Not really yeah, and then also it's that we avoid the waste. So this is our product coming from using banana flour and squash.
Wow, so mara ni siya ang mga produkto.
Yes.
Wala pa yung mga presyo ni ma'am, no? Ano yung presyo? So how many makita na to sa Facebook, sa
Naami, among branches is in Lane 101
Lane 101.
and Buena Oro, and the main